Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL 18 DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure Postgres 18 PITR tutorial. So point in time recovery and PG based backup step by step backup and restore guide. So first we'll just install the Postgres 18. If already installed, then we'll go through the next steps. So there is if not installed, then you can go through the steps and already created video regarding the installation of Postgres 18 on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So my server is running on the VMware workstation. There is a 24.0 for LTS. Now I am going to access this server. So cmd sshDpt@192.168.136.128. So this is password admin@123. I'm going to access this server. So this is my server. So let me check Postgres is already installed or not. So what I'll do, I'll just log in with the Postgres and I'll check the PSQL management version. So PostgreSQL 18 is installed there. Now I'll try to log in. So sudo -u postgres and psql. So I'm able to log in. So /l. Let me check the list of the databases. So 3 rows are there. So default database is Postgres and there is just 2 templates are there. So now I'll go through the next step. So here configuring continuous archiving on the database cluster. So I'll go to the folder 18. Okay, not here. Let me come here. So cd, go there and create a data folder name database archive. Okay. Now I will give the ownership. So sudo chown and postgres colon postgres database archive. So enter. Now I'm going to open the Postgres configuration. So nano /et I'll start with the sudo nano /etc postgres 18 main postgres.config file. Okay, conf file. I'll open this file. I'll check the archive mode. Control W. So CHIV archive mode. So archive mode should be on. Control W archive command. I will go directly there, home, and change this one. So archiving path, we just created the database archive. So I will give this path. Then one level replica. One level should be replica. Control X, Y, and enter. So we have saved this one. Now I'm going to restart my service, Postgres 18 service. Restart is done. Now check with the PG switch wall. Let me check with the data directory. So this is the data directory 18 main. And now I'm going to log in with the pSQL. Now I'm going to create a database. So create database and database name. So Chirag DB1. Now connect with that database, Chirag DB1. So previously this was with the Postgres. So here, now this is changed to Chirag DB1. Now I'm going to create a table. So create a table command, then insert some rows, one row. I'm inserting another one, and let me check the select the inserted rows. So I'll find two rows. Okay. Then I'll check the time. So time select now. So this is the time. So I'm going to copy this one, keep this. So when I need the point in time recovery, we can insert the time also. So now select again switch valve. So this one. So done. Now I'm going to perform the physical backup of the Postgres database. So I'll create one folder, go inside there and create a folder database backup. Done. Now keep the ownership and create a base backup. So this is the command. So here sudo -u postgres pg base backup -d directory, and this is the directory path. So enter this one. It will take few minutes. So meanwhile, we can go through the documentation. After full backup, we'll just take a add some more tables and add some more records. So here I'm creating the one more table, that is the accounts, and adding some records. So two records are adding. So means that we have a two tables, one before the full backup, after the full backup. Then we are again checking the time. Then we'll check with the PG wall, switch wall, and after that we'll go for the point in time recovery. So we'll just destroy all the files. So here we'll stop the PostgreSQL, then PG wall will copy to the PG wall. Whatever the write ahead log is creating, we are just switching to the this directory and removing the main directory and creating the again directory. Means we have removed everything. We don't have any data. We have a backup on the full backup path and PG wall on the PG wall path. Okay. Then we are going for the restoration. So restoration is the copying the full backup to the main, full base backup to the main, giving the ownership. Okay. And then changing the permission and then removing the PG wall, and whatever the wall on we have, we are just copying this wall to PG wall folder. Then we are copying the archive, whatever the archive file is there, we are going to put into the PG wall. Then we go to the configuration. That's it. So backup is done. So you can check if you want to check. So database backup. So these are the files copied to the database. Okay. So we have done this one full backup. Then I'm going to log into my PostgreSQL. Let's see Chirag DB1. I'm going to create one more table. Done. Now going to insert two more rows. Okay. So select extract from accounts. So we have a two more rows on this one. Now I'll check with the time. So copy this one. Now check with the run the PG switch valve, then exit. So this part is done. We have created backup, full backup, then we have archive log, then PG valve. Okay, so performing the point in time recovery on the database cluster. So I'm going to stop the database, copy the PG valve, move the PG valve to default folder, this one, or you can move to the any folder. Now destroy the data directory, main. Again, we create the directory and just copy the backup, full backup file to the main folder. Okay, this one also done. Now give the ownership, give the permission and remove the old PG wall. Just copy the PG wall we have copied on this folder. See, move this folder to that. And now I'm copying this. Now copy the archive log inside the files to PG wall and finally go to the configuration file. And here I'll change the restoration command. If you want to go the target time, whatever the time, you can go for the particular target time, recovery, a target, immediate, you can go through this parameter also, but I am just restoring all the files. There is restoration and just copy this. So this path is the main archive path. We're copying this and control X, Y, enter. Now I'm going to start my service. Start. So before doing this, we should create the recovery signal file. So not created this is for the testing purpose. You are going to the production, then you create the recovery.signal file, and we have started. Now check with the status. Okay, we have some issue. Let me check. Into result. Let me create the signal file first. Okay, started. We have created as a recovery signal file, then started. So it's working. Now let me check with the status. So it's working. Okay. So now let me connect with the database. Slash C Chirag DB1 slash select. Okay, let me check with the tables. So select DT. So there is accounts and user. Select extract from accounts. So we have a two data and user also. We have two data. Means all the data is recovered now. So we are getting the same output. So this is the social links. You can go through this. So in this video, we have learned how to do the point-in-time recovery with the PG-based backup, step-by-step process, backup and restore guide is there. So step-by-step shown you to in this video. So you can connect with the WhatsApp group or Telegram channel for any doubts. and queries, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Follow the process shown in the video. Subscribe to my channel for the more free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.